Another one of your famous wires that this is where we seen this on social media. You and Skatta Boss. How did this even start? Because at one time, if you didn't really know, if you weren't really plugged in, you think you guys were really fighting for real, for real. How did the link with Skatta come around?
Music same way. Remember, I said Skatta, Kings of Kings. Me and Skatta are bridging from long time through music same way, because again, Coolie Dance and Skatta produced that. Bad Company and Skatta produced that. Self-defense rhythm, martial arts.
Martial arts, all of
you
it,
see me? All of them rhythm they are Skatta, so I know Skatta through music. You see me? And Skatta is a man who always a try with a new artist. You understand? So Skatta is a man who know music. Even when he might call like him big as Skip Award, Hollywood. Me and him there on the plane. You understand? Me that go about my business and him I say, yo, Richie.
Okay, but
You see me? So, the relationship with me and Skatta is like kind of unique away. I'm a virgin. Me and him not have a power every day, but when they link up there's always a natural vibes, you see me? So, it's like the relationship with me and Raz and Biggie. The relationship with me and Jigsy. So, everybody, the relationship is very, very different.
yeah.
So, you have to know for deal everybody.
Brass, because those memes you would put out with him and his tongue and
man.
this Rasa do
People
this
are-
and then he...
I want to tell you, say, Skatta do business with some people on one place.
Yeah.
Al Pacino call me for go play on one Friday thing. Some after work jam. And when Al Pacino bring up my name to the people, and one of the supervisors them say, him can't play down here. And I say, why? What him do? Him disrespect Skatta. Disrespect Skatta on the internet. Skatta do business with the people. When them a try explain to the lady, say, him and Skatta a friend, and Rary and blah, 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 blah. Because people just take it up and they don't know. Because if she did claim that she follow up Skatta like that, she would have to sister Skatta post me. But it's come like say, my one them go more viral than Skatta one.
Yeah.
You see me? So like she take that to her, she not even did come at the event. So, I know say she shame now still, because she realized that
It's joke.
she have problem with me have me up. But I want people have up Skatta for the same thing too. But all of me I tell them, say, no man, me and him good man. As long as we not go mad and pitney. You see me?
Anything else?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I know. When you see those memes, boss, it's like you wanted to wake up to go watch these memes, boss, because
Yeah, man.
these two work.
So these are
back
things that
and
keep
forth.
Richie Feelings relevant also. Because it kind of add to the entertainment of Richie Feelings. And you know, you say we ain't on a bad nothing. That is always something humorous.
Because as you started, you said entertainment is what you wanted to get into, and that's where you are right now.
Yeah,
is
man.
where
Entertainment is a form
yeah,
of-
your main core is selecting.
Palmer, man. And Michael Palmer, the entertainment is a form of enjoyment, man. Nobody fighting at the land.
Yeah.
We enjoy the scene.
Yeah.
Click here to watch a full episode and don't forget to subscribe.